Question 1. Subtract the number of sides on a square from the number of sides on a hexagon. Here's a square, and a square has 4 sides. A hexagon has 6 sides. And the question is asking us to subtract, which means take away. So we're going to take away 4 from 6. 6 take away 4 equals, and that's 2. Question 2. This pie chart shows how the children in class 6 best like their potatoes cooked. And we've got a pie chart with roast potatoes, jacket potatoes, chips and mashed potatoes. It says 32 children took part in the survey, but the question is half the children prefer mash or chips, true or false. So we're looking at mash and chips, and we want to know if half of the children prefer mash or chips, and we'll be answering true or false. If I turn the pie chart round with my mash and chips shaded in, you can see that that's definitely half of the whole pie, isn't it? So mash and chips are half of the pie chart. Half of the children preferred mash or chips, so the answer is true. Question 3. We've got some Roman numerals here. We've got XX, take away, I equals. It's a subtraction sum, but we're going to do it using Roman numerals. So let's look at the first number, XX. Well, that's 20. X is 10, so X and another X is 20. And then we're going to take away I, which is, of course, 3. 20 take away 3, so counting backwards from 20 would give us 17. But the question was in Roman numerals, so we need to put the answer in Roman numerals too. To make 17, that's 10, which is X, and 7, which is 5 and 2 ones. So 17 is XVII. Question 4. And question 4 is a fraction question. And to help us, we've been given a rectangle that's been cut into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces. We're dealing with twelfths. Now our first difficulty is with the number 1. We can't take 8 twelfths away from 1 without first thinking about how many twelfths a whole one would be. Well, if I cut something into twelfths and then eat all of them, I've eaten 12 twelfths. So the 1 can be written as 12 twelfths, and any fraction that has the same numerator and denominator is a whole one. So now we can continue. So 12 twelfths, take away 8 twelfths, what does that equal? Well, the bottom number, the denominator, is the same. So we'll keep that because our answer will also have 12 as a denominator. Now all we need to concern ourselves with is the numerators. 12 take away 8 is 4. 4 twelfths. We can't leave it there though, because now we must simplify it. 4 twelfths must be simplified. And the reason is that 4 and 12 are both even numbers. So straight away I know that they will both divide by 2, which will give me 4 divided by 2. The top number, the numerator, will be 2. The denominator divided by 2, 12 divided by 2 is 6. Still we have two even numbers, so I know that they can be divided by 2. So let's simplify further. 2/6, and again divide the top by 2, divide the bottom by 2, and my answer is 1/3. Now I know that I can't simplify that any further. The answer is finished. 1/3.